Romanian deadlifts, followed by 10 lat pullovers, or if we have a pull-up bar at home, we can do max effort strict pull-ups, and then 30 Russian twists. Moving on for Burpee, we have a workout that is for time, and there's 2 parts to this workout. We're going to start with 21, 15, 9 repetitions of box jumps and thrusters. We have prescriptions for the box jump and the thruster. So for men, 24 inches on the box and 43 kilos on the thruster. And for women, 20 inches on the box and 30 kilos on the thruster. Once you complete your 21, 15, 9 of each of those movements, then we're on to another set of 21, 15, 9 repetitions of box jumps and pull-ups. You'll have the same prescription on the height for the box, and if you do not have a pull-up bar at home, we can happily modify this movement for something like the lat pull over or a bent over row. All right, everybody, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you do. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to start off our warm-up with 50 lateral hops, followed by 50 front to back hops, and then 50 single leg hops, so 25 on each, just to get the blood flowing, get us prepped for the workout. All right, from there we're going to do some mobility. Our first stretch will be a lizard lunge, just to open up those hips a little. We can get in some rotation with that upper body as well if you'd like. Then we're going to push back and go into an up dog and down dog position. Again, just trying to loosen up the legs. Feel free to pump out the calves, loosen up the shoulders. And then we'll lay flat on our back, get a figure 4 stretch. So just trying to relax your spine on the floor, open up those hips. And our final stretch will be a tricep stretch. And from there, we're going to do 2 rounds of a series of movements. All right, to start it off, we have 40 mountain climbers, followed by 10 burpees. After those burpees, we have 10 strict presses. On the second round through, you're going to sub that movement for 10 push presses. Then we have bent over rows to engage those lats. And our final movement will be 10 front squats. All right, you guys, get after it.